it's Morgan from For the Love of Paper, and I've got my trusty helper with me today and my Colour Blast kit for the month. This is a mixed media kit and it just arrived literally like 5 minutes ago from the courier. So we thought we would unbox it together and see what we have inside. Whoa, it's a big package. Whoa, look at that. This is the February kit. Are you going to open that one for me?
Yep.
I'll open this end. It's good having my little helper Sam here. I can open it all up and we'll see what he says about what's inside this box.
Yeah.
Alright, here we go. Oh, stop. Okay. So I think this one is my early subscriber goodies. If you subscribed before a certain date, she put in an extra, I think it was an extra $50 worth of Colour Blast products. I'm pretty sure that's what this is. So Sam, do you want to open that one up? Woohoo! Alright, what have we got?
We got this like green light thing.
Okay, this is a Colour Shimmer Cube and it is in Apple of My Eye, which is a nice green apple colour. I might just turn my lights on. There we go. Now it's a bit brighter and we got some white heavy gesso.
And some black.
And some black heavy gesso, and I have not used black gesso before, so I'm super excited to have that.
Yeah.
Alright, so let's have a look inside this one. Now I know that this month has sold out, and I think the next one, these are a bi-monthly kit, and I'm pretty sure the April one has sold out, but there may still be some spaces left for later in the year. I will leave a link to the Colour Blast website below in my description box. So, woohoo!
So we got this like blue and yellow and orange stuff.
What have we got?
So we got this orange liquid thing.
Orange liquid. So this is a Colour Blast colour spray and it is in saffron colour. Might just get a piece of, here we go, get this. And I'll do a quick spray. Oh, isn't that pretty? So
Yeah.
that's quite a bright, vibrant yellow, which is awesome.
And we got this light blue color.
Okay, so this is the Colour Blast colour paste and it is in deep water. It's probably a little greener than what you're seeing on there. I don't really have anything else to compare it to. It's blue, but it's kind of got a greeny tinge to it and it looks really, really cool. So we've got 3 fun colour products to play with, which is exciting.
Yay!
Now, yay! In the kit, we get an instructional book with some ideas of things we can make. And then we get all these other goodies.
Ooh.
I think it's just a horse.
Oh, I thought the eye was ear.
So we'll have a quick look through here. What do we got? So it's a
Good.
little thank you card. Enjoy your products. And there you go. There's all their information there. Social media, whatnot. I will leave a link below anyway. And oh, this is a product guide. So how to use all the different products. What comes in the kit. And then some
Horses.
instructions for a few. So there's 4 layouts.
Hello, Roman.
4 layouts, and then some technique ideas, and then some card challenges, which is pretty cool. And yeah, I'll leave that there so you can have a look. Now, what have we got here? We'll start with the paper.
Yep. So we got zigzags.
Zigzags.
More zigzags.
So this is some 7 Dot Studio, and it is called Nightshade and paint chips. And paint chips. Nightshade. I'm not sure. And this one is
Colors
called
round.
aquamarine, some more zigzags. Oh, I like this one. This is a fun page. This one is called Razzleberry. What does that one look like?
Raindrops.
Raindrops. And we've got under paper. That'd be really cool in my art journal. And that's beautiful.
A sun.
So that was, yeah, it kind of looks like a sunrise or a sunset, doesn't it?
Yeah.
And that one is called Glaze. This one is called Clover. Again, that cool effect. Then we've got 3 sheets of white Kaisercraft
And then
cardstock.
black,
Blue.
blue,
So this is actually seafoam.
and then pink,
Flamingo. And
then orange.
this is, well, it's yellow. It's cheddar, like cheese.
Cheddar.
And we've got this. What is this?
It's like stamp stuff.
Stencil.
Stencil.
Pretty cool stencil. We've got a piece of, oh, this is like, it feels like tissue paper. It's a little bit sort of waxy feel. Do you feel of that?
Oh yeah, and it looks like you're doing a list.
Could be like a list, couldn't it?
Yeah.
I think these are card bases and envelopes. That is really handy. What a cool idea to put those in there. And then we've got 2 more. These are square card bases and envelopes.
And we
this
got like some shapes
Some
stuff.
shapes. These are metal dies, and they've got little crosses on them, like they've been stitched. So that's fun. Got another. What's this one?
It's like another list.
It's a stamp.
Stamp.
A scripty stamp from Kaisercraft. Got this circle stitched stamp set. So there's like 1, 2, 3, 4 in there.
So you get zigzags, lines, and then you can see some curvy strings around there
Yeah.
too. And we got like these words and stuff.
So we've got love, dream, magic, believe.
And this is like a dentist thing.
It's not a dentist, that's a light bulb.
And another light bulb.
Another light bulb.
And love.
Whoop.
Whoops.
There we go. What does that one say? Live, laugh, love. And this one says remember the good times.
And it's like, this is like a picture thing.
A frame.
And circles.
And some circles there. And then we've got some
Sticker dots.
sticker dots, some little gems from Uniquely Creative. And
Some
oh, it's kind of like lacy stuff, but it actually reminds me of it's that stuff like a loofah. So that's really cool, and we get a whole bunch of that. There is like a meter, I would say, roughly. And that is everything that came in my Colour Blast kit. And my little man has just decided to wander over here. So that is it. I will leave links below. So be sure to leave a like and subscribe if you want to see what I'm going to make with this. I will be sharing them on my channel. Thanks for watching. Bye.
Bye.